Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find story archive on your Facebook, the story that you previously posted, to find it, how to find it. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile and select the profile icon on top of the right screen, and now scroll down and select setting and privacy here and go to settings. And scroll down and find your activity. Here it is, and under that you can find log activity log. Click that option, and here on top you can see archive option. Just click it, and here on top you can see story archive. Click that option, and here you can see all the story that you previously posted. If you tap the story and click those three dots, you can either save this photo or delete it as far as you wish. So in this way you can easily find the archive stories. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.